The ocean rarely gives up its secrets, yet some stories find their own way back to the surface. In the ice-cold depths of the North Atlantic, a ship had rested for 40 years. Many teams tried to locate it. Several missions returned. Some never did. Then, in 2024, during a routine survey, an unusual form appeared on the sonar. A wreck was expected, but beneath it, there was something else. Straight lines. A perfect rectangle. Nature doesn't build like that. A drone was sent down. Visibility was poor. Currents were unstable. The camera slid slowly under the debris, and metal flashed, half buried in sand. A massive container. Undamaged. Untouched. As if someone had parked it there with care. Inside the dive room, nobody spoke. One question filled every mind. How did this get here? Records were pulled. Nothing in the ship's manifest. Nothing in the cargo list. Insurance files zero reference. Officially, it didn't exist. So who did it belong to? And who hid it? Divers moved closer. There was less marine growth than on the wreck itself, meaning it might have been placed there later. The camera zoomed in. Beneath the paint, letters appeared. The team leader studied the light. 3 words. Do not recover. The mood changed instantly. Treasure hunt excitement turned into real fear. A warning in the ocean means one thing. Someone already made a mistake, and it should never be repeated. Theories began. Smuggled gold. Black money? Military testing. Classified technology. Someone joked, if it's so dangerous, why is the lock still intact? No one laughed. Scanning started. Then came the first glitch. Signal jump. Magnetic spike. Static on the radio. The container wasn't behaving like an inactive object. It was responding. One engineer whispered, "We didn't find this by accident. Someone wanted it hidden." Silence again. Because if that was true, the warning wasn't meant for them. It was meant for the future. More documents surfaced. Before the 1983 accident, the ship had suddenly changed route. The last transmission was encrypted. Rescue had been delayed. Coincidence, some said. Not everyone agreed. A closer scan revealed heavy industrial welds. Not port work. A project. Planned. Funded. Protected. Then a second anomaly. Temperature readings differed from the surrounding water. Not extreme, but enough to matter. A metal box, with an abnormal heat signature. Now the debate was serious. Recover it, or leave it. Lift it and it becomes a global headline. Walk away and the mystery lives on. But if something inside is wrong, that headline might be the last. Minutes passed. Arguments grew. Some believed opportunities like this come once in a lifetime. Others believed there was a reason it had been left below. Finally, the authority in charge made the call. The voice was calm, clear. No recovery. Mark the location. Seal the files. Move out. For the last time, the camera looked at the container. The current lifted the sand. Slowly, it covered the metal again, as if the ocean was saying, "This belongs to me." It remains there even today, unopened. Unacknowledged, just coordinates, and endless questions. Treasure, weapon, evidence, or something humanity was never meant to understand. But the story doesn't end there. After the expedition, one team member made private contact, and what he revealed was more terrifying than the warning itself. That part comes next. If real mystery documentaries fascinate you, follow the channel and like the video so you don't miss what's coming. And tell me in the comments, would you open it or leave it buried? Hindi Lego.